Hi there, garden enthusiasts. Today we're going to be talking about planting some stunning plants in our garden in the front of my home. We're going to start off by putting in some soil builder. This area right here holds a lot of water, so we're going to be building up the soil with soil builder and trying to fix our drainage issues. So we're going to spread that out. And we're also replacing shrubs that had been dying in that area because they were getting way too much water. We've got anise. We're going to start off by planting anise. Then we have golden bamboo and Leucothoe burning love and white African iris. So let's dive in. Now, anise is a beautiful plant that attracts butterflies and bees. It's easy to grow and has a lovely fragrance. And then we're going to add golden bamboo, which is a stunning addition to any garden with its bright and golden leaves and graceful stalks. Now we will have to keep an eye on the golden bamboo to make sure it's not taking over the front flower garden. Okay, we've got the anise planted in, and we're working on the golden bamboo. And we've got 3 anise on each side of each flower bed of the driveway. Okay, now we're going to be putting in the Leucothoe burning love, which is a shrub with red berries and dark green leaves. It's perfect for adding a little pop of color to your garden. So we're planting 2 of these on each side of our garden, and I may go back and pick up one more just to have 3 of each. Okay, last but not least, we're going to be planting white African iris, which is a stunning flower that will brighten up the garden, I believe, with its white blooms. And I think we have some with the purple blooms as well. And these thrive in moisture conditions, and this is very wet right in here. So I think they'll grow really well. So there you have it. These 4 plants are sure to make my garden look a lot prettier and a beautiful and vibrant space. I'll keep you updated as they are settling in and growing. But thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for my gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!